Hi, my name is Nunchucks. Prayers Nunchucks. So, with this lockdown thingy, it looks like companies aren't planning to hire anybody anytime soon. But then, look, it doesn't necessarily mean that we have to stop applying, right? And then again, the world is moving online. However, companies like Vodacom don't necessarily feel like they should reduce their data prices. Hey, Vodacom, what the hell? Anywho, so like people are complaining about measures taken by the government to try and stop the spread of COVID-19 and coronavirus, like to try and keep the cases as minimal as possible. So they're talking about how bad it's affecting their social life, their school works, jobs, and our economy. And honestly, it's getting tired because everybody's talking about it. COVID-19 this, COVID-19 that, lockdown this, shutdown that. Anywho, I'm joining in the conversation. So I want to talk to creatives. I want to talk to entrepreneurs, man. People who want to, like, people who have dreams but are not following them. And I'm not disputing anything that people are complaining about. But then, as much as this pandemic looks bad, I think we should also look at it as a great opportunity, especially people who are creative. This is a great opportunity, a chance to do things that we always dreamt of doing, but our 9-to-5s have been the excuse for not doing those things. I mean, it's time to get creative, people. Like, it's time to get creative like never before. I mean, we literally have all the time in our hands. I mean, 6 months, yeah, whatever they said we're gonna be locked down. Yeah, we have like a lot of times in our hands, and then like we can read like lots and lots of books, and then it's enough time again to do a lot of research and gather enough information about how businesses work. You know, we also have time in our hands to learn how others are winning in whatever it is that we want to win in. For my fellow creatives, my fellow creatives, like, it's time to work day and night without any worries. Worries like I have to get up in the morning to go to work, or like it's that time like we have to put everything we got into our craft. You need to like create content, you need to advertise your abilities online. Like I said, the world is moving online. It's that time that we need to sharpen our skills like never before. There's that time, you guys, like there's that time you get your shit together, because hey man, if you're living in South Africa, we won't be going to work for a long time, dog. I don't know about other countries, I can only talk about my country. So it's that time to learn how to use the internet effectively and use social media to build your brand. Like, brand yourselves, man. Brand yourself. There has never been a great time like this to be a creative. So while others are complaining and watching TV the whole day, I recommend creating content, especially if you are in entertainment. People will soon be looking for new things to watch or to listen to, whatever that you do. People will be looking for new things. So let's take this time as an opportunity and use it to our advantage, man. I mean, things won't be like this forever, and we probably won't get another chance like this. And if you're doing music, you know how difficult it is. I mean, parents are on your back day and night about you. Hey, you don't have a job, you need to get a fucking job. This music thing won't do shit for you. You know what I mean? So now you have that chance, like, you have that chance to win. And honestly, you know, a lot of parents don't believe in creating your own things. That's why like most people are not creating jobs, are not creating companies or whatever that they want to create, because of somebody is always on their back about how they need to get a job. And honestly, I understand why people want us to get a job, and I honestly think it's a good thing. It's not necessarily a bad thing to get a job. I mean, you could look at it this way. As much as you don't want a job, you could look at it as you are an entrepreneur. You are actually selling your skills to somebody. That's how you should look at 9-to-5. You know what I mean? You're still an entrepreneur, but then you're selling your skills to somebody. So anywho, yeah, it's a good thing to look for a job, but then, you know, sometimes you want to be busy with something that you love the most. And then like people are always on your back and 1, 2, 3. And then, as I said, if you are doing music, people are not like understanding at all. So it's that time that nobody's on your back, you have less pressure, and then you should use this time wisely and put like a lot of time into your craft, and then making sure that you advertise, you release, you do whatever it takes to win in this next coming 6 months or a year or whatever. Like, this is a great opportunity, you guys. I don't want to lie. And I honestly feel like people are wasting it by complaining. I don't feel like if you are a creative, you should complain. So yeah, man, my name is Nunchucks. Like I said, I'm keeping this podcast very short. So I'm gonna play one of my favorite songs, which is Nev9 or Niv9. I don't know what they call their name. But then, yeah, man, this is one band that I recently just discovered, and they're doing the most. Like, they're making great music, man. So I'm gonna play one of the tracks called Pray for the Rain. Anyway, I will talk a little about how I interpret the song, but then you'll interpret it however you want to interpret it. But then it's a nice song. So yeah, man, stay locked up. Remember, social distancing is important. Stay creative. Be busy, man. If you don't have anything to do, read a lot of books. Oh, before I go, somebody once said, you know, the great thing about reading books is that somebody had to go maybe 50 years, 40 years, 30 years learning, you know, experiencing, and then you get to have that experience in your hands in less than a week. That's the good thing about reading. You get to learn a lot. What it took somebody 40 to 50 years or 40 years, whatever it is, to learn, you get to learn it in a week. So yeah, man, read a lot of books. Enjoy.
I saw you staring at me, and I knew you didn't care. Your smile told me I was one night. I should have never shown up there. Now I pray for the rain to wash it away, 'cause I know in my heart you won't be there. Babe, you're gonna get what's coming your way, and then you'll know and feel my pain. All the honesty and hope that you just threw away. You are so vain. Now I pray for the rain to wash it away, 'cause I know in my heart you won't be there, and I won't wait for the day to hear you say that you're sorry from the heart. You were playing fair. Now the time has come, and you want more than you've shown. There's no one waiting. Your empty past is known. There's nothing left. Regret, it hits real hard. You've